Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? Is it audible?
Yes.
Just hold a second. Okay. Just wait. So we will be waiting for a few minutes, a minute, 2 or 3. So
Your voice is echoing actually.
it's fine now.
There is an echo in your voice.
Okay, let me check. Okay, is it fine now? Or do I need to improve?
No, yes, sir. It's fine. It's okay.
Any
Yeah,
echo?
it's better. Yes, better.
No echo? Like, hope this echo problem is solved. Wait, I think now it will be fine.
Yeah, it's better now.
Okay. Okay, great. Once again, good evening, everyone. Roshan this side from Scrollwell. On behalf of just hold. On behalf of Scrollwell, I welcome you all in this webinar where we'll be covering about how you can utilize Google Word as a AI tool for your day-to-day teaching. Hope audio connectivity is fine, video connectivity is fine, and also we will be waiting for a few minutes, a minute, 2 or 3, for a few more participants to join. Then after we will start. Hope it will work.
Yes.
Done. Ji. So till then, anyone of you who can introduce themselves, like their name, institution name, and what exactly you are expecting from this webinar, simply you can unmute and speak.
Hello, Roshan. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine, fine. After a long time, again, I'm really very glad to meet you being here. And yeah, from this seminar, yeah, we have already been introduced with Google Bard, and we want to know from you because you take somewhat in depth and you will tell some shortcuts, and we are all really very excited of knowing what is there from your side actually. Anyway, we have seen some YouTube videos and we have served something, and we know something in Google Bard, but we want something more from you actually.
Done. Ji, done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir, for joining us today.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Yes, anyone else?
I'm Professor Andallu from Satyasai Institute of Higher Learning, Anantapur.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Good evening to everyone.
Good evening, Ji.
Hoping to have a very good session with you.
Is it your first time or you are having this like earlier as well? First time with Scrollwell?
I attended a lot of webinars and all, spoken also, but this type of thing is for the first time.
Correct. Even with Scrollwell, you have joined it for first time, right?
Yes.
Done. Ji, done. Okay. Anyone else?
Hi Roshan, this is Dr. Sugenya from Sairam Engineering College, Chennai.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, it's my second time with Scrollwell actually. But the thing is regarding joining these interactive sessions is what I do not want to really look awkward with the students because they are very well updated and they are very fast. And somehow I feel that I remind some decades back from their technology. So I just wanted at least I should get familiarized with the terms and things. Until I registered with this session, I was not even aware of Google Bar. So that is what the first thing. Whether I use it or not, first I should understand when someone tries to explain me something on that. So
Done.
that is what I look for.
Sure.
Good evening. I'm R.K. Shankar here.
Good
Well,
evening.
I've been taking classes for the seafarers. So nice to receive this one invitation. Well, this Google bot, is it similar to a Chat GPT or something? Or is
Very
it
correct. Very correct. It's
very
similar.
good? Okay, similar. Because I don't have any idea, to be honest.
Done.
GPT is somewhat is getting popular now. Is it similar to that? Huh? Okay.
Yes, very similar to ChatGPT. Very similar.
Okay. Thank you. No, we
Namaste.
have to upgrade ourselves every day nowadays.
Correct.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Correct.
So, no wonder I don't have any hair.
Soon I will be there, sir. Don't worry. I'm joining you.
we have to catch up. We have to catch up very fast. You know that as the time changes and technology changes, we have to go along with the time and technology. Even the 4-year-old boy is talking about downloading, uploading, and
मीरा, काय
Correct.
सांगायचंय?
Correct.
Yeah.
ये ना बाळा, काय सांगायचंय तुला?
Okay. Yes, please. Anyone else?
Namaste.
Namaste ji.
Manjushri here.
Hi, ma'am.
Namaste.
Ji.
After this program, please share the recording of this program.
Correct. Recording is already available on YouTube. It will be permanently there.
Because in the beginning we hear everything and we understand everything, but when we want to use this, we need some help also. That's
Correct.
why.
Correct.
Okay.
Done.
Okay.
For sure, you will have a recording. So,
Good evening,
my-
sir.
good evening, ji.
So, I'm Nancy Garg from Ambala, Kent.
Correct. Our public school.
Yes, sir. Looking forward, sir, for the program and so long. So, just want to the shortcut keys also to be posted in the group.
Done.
If any shortcut keys, please. Thank you, sir.
Done. Chalo ji. Okay. Once again, good evening, everyone. Roshan this side from Scrollwell, and in today's session, we will be covering like how you can utilize Google Bot as a AI tool for your day-to-day life, even for a teaching, or it doesn't matter. You are preparing any of the documentation, any of the questionnaire, any kind of research you are doing, right? So this is what the main motive will be for our today's program. This session will be of 1 hour. We will have a session around 40 minutes of a session. Then after we will move with the query session. Whatever queries you have, you can ask. Okay. And in end of program, we will be having a feedback. Feedback will be considered as a attendance for a certification. Done. And feedback is compulsory again. I will be posting a feedback link in a Zoom chat only, not on a WhatsApp group. So can we start?
Yes, please.
So no. G.
Yes,
Then so session will be interactive. It's like because it causes the interruptions for others. Okay, I will not be like muting everyone. You can unmute yourself whenever you feel you have any query. This session will be kind of interactive session where you can ask anytime. Okay, that's not a issue. Also, your participation will be appreciated. Okay. Then, so before we start, I'm sharing my screen. Let us have a brief about us, what exactly we are doing, how we started, what is our mission, vision, why we are having this sort of FDPs or webinars. So about Scrollwell, Scrollwell is a edtech startup. We started our journey in May 2020 when this COVID came in a picture. Right. Till December, we have trained around 36,000 of teachers. In this month only, 2 days ago, we completed 40K teachers across globe. We have trained. Okay, our specialization is all about technology. Right, how you can utilize technology for your teaching purpose. This is about me. Roshan founded this Scrollwell again in May 2020. 3 year of journey, 36,000 teachers. Right. Also, I'm a Google certified educator. I completed my MBA from NIT Jalandhar. Right. Mm, yes. In last year of BTech, I started with this journey. Right. My specialization is like I'm very much specialized in digital marketing. Right. MS Word, PowerPoint, this Excel, business planning, again digital marketing. Right. These are my specialization. Coming to the Scrollwell's journey, it again May 2020. In June 2020, we started with our first session. Till now, we have 3.5 million of views and 89 sessions we had in total. The composition of FDP, workshop, webinars, and all done. So these are few of our collaborations. If you can see, like multiple institutions have a collaboration with us. Our programs, our reach across India. Even we are reaching in this session itself. We have a participant from Pakistan, Dubai, Malaysia, right, and all our neighboring countries like Nepal, Bangladesh, and all. These are few of the institutions where we have trained, like the faculty trained from Scrollwell are working over here. Done. So this was about me and about Scrollwell. I'm sharing my second screen and okay, hope you can see this whiteboard. Yes, done. So again, I will need your participation here. When the word Google word comes in your mind, Google words, which is a AI platform, what exactly it is? Any one of you who can explain, I will allow you to unmute. Just hold. What exactly Google word is? Any one of you? Quickly.
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial
we
intelligence.
It's
It-
like a chat GPT.
It's like a chat GPT, correct?
at GTP. Yes.
Artificial intelligence. Done. Just hold.
Yeah, it is AI powered chatbot.
Correct. AI is a what I can say. AI is integrated in a chatbot which is named as Google Bot. Correct. Now, how you can utilize Google Bot in your day-to-day life as a teacher? Few examples, any one of you. Then after we will try it practically. Whatever we will discuss just now, same we will try to implement, whether it is possible or not. Where we can use a Google word.
We
In
can use
creating creative lesson plan.
Lesson plan.
applications to some respective officer,
Okay. Application.
and something which is not clear with the textbook, you can ask. They will clear you with the example.
Correct. Can I say I can brainstorm?
Yeah, it's
Kind of brainstorming platform. Whatever doubt comes to your mind, you can ask. Right. You can create Q&A.
quizzes.
Correct. Quiz. What else?
Know about the recent trends.
Recent trends. Maybe I can say
Question paper also it can be
Right.
create.
Assignment or question paper. Right.
Yeah, project, assignments, practical, whatever you ask, they give you with examples.
Correct.
Any writing work as well as quiz all can be organized.
Content writing. Can I say content writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is. Yes.
Okay.
We can insert images and websites also here.
Yes, we can search images. Images. We can search websites.
We can make case studies.
Correct. We can go for summary of research or any of the topic, case studies. And you can ask for any of the table, maybe chart, graph, something like this if you want to ask. What else?
Any trip also we can organize itinerary for the trip.
Correct. I used to organize itinerary for a trip. Like you can ask anything. It's not specific to any of the domain, subject, right? Area. It's something where it has a data set. It will compare the result and give you an accurate one, right? Now,
Is there any possibility to create database?
can you just explain what kind of database you want?
Say for example, like some like the children information, their contact details, and their mark details.
Got it. You want to collect it from our students, right?
Yeah.
So in this case, no, right? What kind of database you can prepare? Let me explain. Like we will come to this table partner. Then I will explain. Like if you can ask for any of the data from a Google, in what format you can ask, right?
Yeah, can compare the marks with other exams. All the exams.
Marks. Okay. So let's say comparison, I will say.
Yeah, comparison of marks with the, I mean, the progress we can compare it.
Done. What else?
Can we do
Analysis, analysis and predictions.
Yes, trends. Can I say trends? I can analyze. I can go for trends and predictions. Maybe if you want to analyze whether the market will go up or down, right? You can ask. There will be some sort of predictions over there. Yes, ma'am, please.
I think any program can also.
also on using the Google board?
Repeat, please.
I repeat, so can we make the presentations also using the Google board?
Yes, you can make PPTs.
Presentations?
Yes, you can make. What else?
You can use it. You can use it to create to write down some codes.
Write down the post.
Code. Programs for
Code I have, but we will try today. Let us see whether we will be able to write a code or not. Through a chat GPT, we can, right?
Yeah.
We will explore over here also whether I will be able to do coding or not. Yes.
Okay.
So, like this much of content is sufficient, right? I can see majority of part is covered, right? So, can I jump to this one, Google Bot directly?
Yes, please.
Yes,
Done.
please.
So, before moving to a Google Word, what exactly it is? It's a AI model, not a AI model. It's a AI language model. Okay. Whatever response it will give you in a text format only. Okay. In few cases, you can ask for images, maybe table, graph, chart, but majority of the content will be in a text format only. If you will directly say, create a video for me, then no. Okay. But what you can ask, can you give content for a video? Then it will provide you. Right. Can you prepare a speech for me? Yes, I can do. Correct. But if you will say, record a speech for me, then no. Clear? Chalo. So I'm sharing my second screen. Just hold. Yeah. It is visible, right?
So I have a question. Should I wait or I ask right now?
You can ask. That's not.
Yeah. So PPT, can it prepare PPT for us? PowerPoint presentation?
The last sentence was, if I will say, can you create a video for me? Then no. If you will say, create a video content for a video for me, then yes. But here we will explore the possibilities. If I will ask something, let's say, give me a topics to be covered in a PPT, right? Subject is mathematics. It will give you a topics, right? In the next step, what other possibilities we have using the same content? Can I design a PPT automatically? This we will explore, right? Danji?
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Here we will use two tools. AI for searching.
Which one?
This I will request you all to be on a mute. Done. So how to start with a Google Bird? Simply you can search over here bird.google.com, or you can search it in a Google itself, bird.ai. Okay. It will provide you a link for this. Let me explore. Just hold. Let me check. Yes, this is how it will look like whenever you proceed for a Google Bird for first time. How it can help you is like it can help you with brainstorming, as right? You can go for discussion, you can explore the possibilities, you can ask a content, right? So whenever you proceed for a bird, you have to click over here, try bird, click on this link, try bird, this blue button which you have, right here, just hold this one. Whenever you will click over here, something like this will come. You will need to accept the terms and privacy policy, agree, done. In the next step, don't opt for this. Even you can opt, it's up to you because it's in an experiment mode. It will consider your data for the improvement. So I will go for no and continue. So this is how Google Board will look like. The dashboard of Google Board looks like. Correct. Now, reset chat. You can reset your chat from here. You can see your previous activities from here. If you need any of the support, you can go for this. Recent updates of a Google Board, you can check. Also for support and help, you can go for this one. Here, you can write your prompt over here. You can even dictate the prompt. This feature we do not have in a chat GPT, right? You can speak, the same will be considered over here. And here you can ask. Fine. So in today's session, we will try to create one assignment. Okay, we will try to create one assignment. Just hold. Just hold a second. Yes, we will try to create one assignment today. Okay. Also, we will try to create a presentation. We'll try to figure out whether I will be able to filter images or not. We will try to create a table. Okay, let me write it down. Just hold. Wait a second. Just hold. Whenever you feel you have any query, just you can raise your hand. Okay, I will allow you to unmute. Done, ji? So first thing is we will try to create assignment. We will start with the assignment first. Okay, anyone of you can suggest me a topic on which we can create assignment? Anyone? Quickly, any topic, anything? You can write it in a chat. I will pick from there. Just hold. Quickly, math. Okay, so math. Done. So we will go for a math only. So first thing is we will try to create assignment, right, for mathematics itself. Now, concern is along with assignment, I need few things, right? That can be marks, total marks, guidelines, right? Marks, guidelines, submission time, right? Format which I want. So whatever you ask to this particular board, the response will depend on what prompt you are providing. Prompt is most important part in a board. If you want a best result, try to make it simple, right, and clear. Let us try with this. What I will do is we'll try to create one assignment for a mathematics. You can try for your own subject, right? Maybe HRM, maybe something related to BSc chemistry, physics. It's totally up to you. So what I will do is create one assignment for 100 marks along with guideline, submission guideline, topic is, let's say, trigonometry, trigonometry, trigonometry. Okay. Enter. That's it. It will give you a result. See, assignment is this. This is a submission deadline. Here is the instructions. So questions are here, right? Submission guideline is here. Grading rubric, how it will be evaluated, right? This is how you can get a results from a Google Word. Also, along with this result, I have few drafts. Can you see this drafts option over here? Draft 2, draft 3. If you feel like this assignment is not good for me, like I need something else, then you can select from here as well. It will provide you multiple drafts, right? Still, if you feel something else I want, you can go for this one, the last one, regenerate drafts. It will provide you data again. See, like this. Okay. Done. Now, what I can feel is here all the questions are related to theoretical one, right? What I can ask, add practical questions as well, practical or numerical questions as well. Okay, like this you can ask. So what it will do, it will add a numerical question there over here. Is it clear? Any doubt till now, any one of you? Now someone is asking, can I create a objective type questions too? Yes, you can create. Now here what we will do for a objective type, let's say again topic is trigonometry only, right? Here topic is trigonometry only. In a prompt itself I will write create one assignment for 100 marks along with submission guideline I will remove. Okay, 100 marks in MCQ format, right? Number of questions you can assign, let's say 10 with answer. You also need answer, right? The correct answer. Here it is. So it will try to provide you MCQ format questionnaire, right? Again, topic is trigonometry only. See, 10 questions are there and answer key is also there. Is it clear? Along with the guidelines. Any doubt till now? So everything, like whatever comes to your mind depends on a prompt, what exactly you are asking. You have to make it simple and clear. That's it. Easy to understand. So this is how you can go for a assignments, right? You can create assignments. Now, what can be the next step? Next step can be if you want to write any of the article, all right? You want something like, let's say, related to history of maybe iPhone, history of any of the company, maybe Samsung, right? Or what you can say, any of the famous book, anyone who can list any book name, any one of you, can you suggest me a book name? Any book? Okay, so Ravi Kanji have suggested this book. This is a writer or book? Book. Okay. So what I will do is, I will ask, summarize, just hold, summarize book, and book title is right, like this you can ask. It will provide you a summary of this particular book. Okay. See, right now it's in a paragraph manner, right? What you want? Give answer in bullet points only. You can suggest Correct. Then the answer will be in a bullet points. Fine. So this is how you can ask a prompt over here in a Google Word. Now someone is asking, can I convert this data into a Google Doc or maybe a Word file? Yes, you can convert. Can you see these options over here? I have few options here. Google it. Google it will search the same content over a Google. If you will click on this icon, this one, then it will move to a, see, where you want to go for, Gmail or Doc. If you will proceed for a Doc, then what it will do? Creating a document. See, open Doc. That's it. Easy? Any doubt? Any doubt till now? Anyone of you? Now someone is asking how to summarize a research paper. Will it be a plagiarism free? Just hold. If you want to summarize a research paper, what you have to do is you have to provide a title of a research. Okay. Just for example, I will take any of the research paper. For example, in case of research, what I can do, I can ask for a top 10 papers in a particular field, right? I can ask for something related to reference management. Can you generate a references for me? Right? Can you analyze? Can you read abstract for me? This is what I can ask in case of research. Let us take an example of research only. For example, I will take a topic, maybe consumer behavior. Okay. Suggest me topics. Sorry, not a topic. Suggest me top 5 research paper on consumer behavior. Okay. On consumer behavior. So it will provide you a list of top 5 papers. Now, can I summarize it? Yes, you can. See. Right. Now, in the next step, what I can ask? Please summarize above papers. So it will give you a summary of above papers. No need to go for like reading the full paper and all. Simply you can ask for a summary, right? In my case, I have searched, right? I have searched for a paper directly from here. If you want a specific one, if you have any of the paper which you want to be summarized, simply write a prompt over here. Please summarize this paper and add a title of paper. That's it. See, all 5 papers are summarized. Correct. Also, I can say generate reference of above papers. You can suggest a style as well in APA style or maybe Harvard style. So these papers belongs to business, right? Harvard style. That's it. It will provide you a reference as well. Right. You can simply copy it and you can paste it in your research. See, whatever you need, you will need to mention over here. Not only reference, I want a reference in a Harvard style, APA style, IEEE style, right? Any of the style which you want, MLA style, correct? Even if you want addition, in MLA, if I'm correct, 9th edition is there, right? You want a specific edition, you can go for addition as well. This is how you can utilize a chat GPT for your regular use case. Now someone was asking, can I ask to provide me images? Yes, you can ask. Okay. For example, can you give me list of car brands along with logo. Now I know logo will be in an image format, right? So like this, you can ask and it will provide you a list of car brands along with their logo. Again, why I'm unable to get an answer over here? Because something is missing over here. Okay. Let us try again. Suggest a list of car brands along with logo. See, like this, you can ask images as well. Now I know what I can do. I have a doc file from here, export it as a document. So I'm specific to car brand, you can go for any of the field. It's totally up to you if you want to search images from here. Correct. Now, someone was asking, can I create a database using a chat GPT? You can't proceed for collecting a database, but what you can do? You can ask for a table, graph, charts. For example, provide me a list of edtech companies. Just hold. Yes, edtech companies in table format. Table format. Along with web URL. Web URL represents their website. That's it. It will give you a data of edtech companies in a table format. You can simply copy it and even you can paste it in Excel. Right? Export to sheet. Can you see? It will convert data into Excel sheet. If you will specify, give me at least 20 companies, 30 companies, 50 companies, it will increase the length of this particular sheet, right? The number of companies will be more. Along with the web URL, you want CEO name, you want their customer rating, you want their contact number. Simply ask. Easy. This is how you can utilize a Google bot in your day-to-day life. Now, the most important part, someone was asking, can I create a presentation using this Google Word? So directly no, like you can ask a content, correct? What type of content you can ask? For example, if I have to prepare a PPT on a topic, now topic can be anything. Anyone of you wants to suggest any topic? Okay, new education policy 2020, for example. Okay, so what I will write? I will write, give me presentation content topic is NET 2020, right? Duration of PPT you can mention, or even you can mention a slide. Duration is, let's say, 20 minutes. Maximum 10 slides. That's it. Someone is asking how to convert a quiz, how to convert an assignment into a quiz. If you want to convert it to a quiz, like basically you will be using some different platform. For collecting a quiz, you will be using a Google form and all. So you can ask the questions over here, but directly you will not be able to create a Google form. That process is manual. Okay. So like this, you can see 10 slides are available for me, right? So what I can do, I don't like this particular one. Question, reference, thank you. I don't want this one. So what I will do, I will go for some other response. I will regenerate it. Okay. I will regenerate it. Wait a second. So again, everything is prompt. What prompt you are giving, it will answer based on that. See. Done. So like this. Now, I can see this one is in a bullet points, right? What I can say, give it in a detailed manner. Right, detailed manner. So what it will do, it will give you a data in a detailed content. Like you can ask it for a paragraph. Right now it is in a bullet points. See, okay. So you can ask it like convert this second slide into a blog. Write a blog of at least 1,000 words. Something like this you can ask. Okay. Again, it's totally up to you how you are utilizing a Google bot. Everything is prompt. Whatever you will ask, make it simple, make it clear. That's it. Okay. In the next step, what we will do, I will use this content, this doc, okay, for creating a PPT. Then how you can automate this process. Fine. Ji? So how many of you are aware of Canva? We will be using a Canva over here. How many of you are aware of Canva? You can say yes or no in this one. Chat. I can see lots of yes. Great to know. Okay. Now how to utilize Canva for your, okay, one more thing. We will be using two platforms. First one is Canva. Second one is Microsoft PowerPoint. Which one I can prefer? Any one of you? Either I can prefer Canva or Microsoft PowerPoint. I can see Canva. Chalo ji, done. So I will start with the Canva. I will log in over here, canva.com. You can go for this. So this is a dashboard which you will have whenever you proceed for a Canva. Go for presentation. Can you see this presentation one? Click on this. Or what you can do is go for this doc one. Can you see doc? Click on this first one. Paste your content. So for me, this one is content, right? I will copy it. I will paste it over here. Right. Now this one is a title, right? I will go for this and I will write it as heading. Right. Subheading you can assign. Go for this and subheading like this. You can assign. Done. So like this, you can assign all the things. Next, what you have to do is simply click on this convert, top right corner. Let me highlight top right corner, convert. Click on this convert, get started, creating a presentation. That's it. Whatever design suits your imagination, you can select. Let's say if you are going for this. Okay, you will need to modify. Is it clear? How to create a PPT using a AI content. Where you have a content, simply go for Canva and design it automatically. Any doubt, any one of you? Any doubt? Quickly. So what I did is, I copied a content, right? Whatever I have generated through AI. I moved to a Canva, right? Then I moved to this doc part. I clicked over here. I pasted my content. I went, moved to this convert option from a top right corner. Convert option. Then it will ask for get started. That's it. It will create a PPT for you. You can select any of the design. Okay. Now someone is asking, can content for Canva be taken from outside AI to yes? Right now I have considered a AI with this one, Google Word only, right? I have copied a content and I have pasted the same one, Google Word one. It's totally up to you. Okay. Now, in this case, just I will allow you to unmute. Okay. Little bit, yes, some sort of discussion we can have. In this case, I have a content, right? I will explain this one also, PowerPoint one. Don't worry. Yes. In this case, I have a content. From where I got a content, anyone of you? Quickly.
So from Google Word.
Google Word, right? First option is I have a content. maybe Google Word, maybe any of the article, maybe any of the book. Correct. In Canva itself, there is a second method. Let's say if I will go for presentation, blank presentation I have opened. Can you see this magic design? Right? Magic design. Even this icon, can you see? This one. Click on this. Go to magic design. Try it out. Now what you want? Any topic, any one of you? Any topic, quickly.
Sir, this magic design option is in the
Virtual reality.
Immunization program.
Done. So I will go for virtual reality. Okay, you can go for any of the topic, maybe storytelling. So what? Let us go for storytelling. Okay. Using VR. VR is virtual reality. Okay. Creating a PPT. In this case, do I have a content? Yes or no?
No.
I have a topic only, right? No content is there. In
Yes.
first case, I have copied a content from this one, Google Word. In second case, directly I can give a prompt. Can you give me a PPT? Storytelling in virtual reality, something like this. Okay. Now, whatever modifications you want, either you want to change this image, any of the image, you can change. Go to my presentations and modify it. How much time it will take? Hardly 5 minutes. Yes or no? Done, ji. Then you can download this. Chalo. Let me move to the next part, which is about PowerPoint. Now in a PowerPoint, there we have a feature of designer. It comes in a latest one, the latest PowerPoint versions. If you are using the old one, let's say 2007, 13, any of the old one, 2010 version of MS Office, then what you can do is you can go for MS PPT online. Search for it, MS PowerPoint online. Go for the first link from a Microsoft directly. Open it. Looking to use a PowerPoint. Sign in over here. So it will ask me to log in. Just hold. So I think this, yes, this is a layout which you will have. Can you see this upload option? Right? If you have your PPT already, then you can go for a upload. If not, then go for blank. I will quickly go for blank. Right. Here I have a content, right? This is a content which I have copied from a Google Word. Yes or no? How much time the copy paste will take? 5 minutes. Correct. First slide is ready. I will take a reference of 2 or 3 slides only. Slide 2. Let's say this is the second slide. Okay. And can you see in the right side, I have a auto designer. Right? Let's say I will copy this in a third slide. And I will delete this. That's it. Go to design and designer. Here it will automatically design your PPT for you. So copy a content from AI and utilize it over either a Canva or you can use this.
But PowerPoint takes more time, it appears. Canva is easier, it appears.
Canva is easier, but you will have one drawback over a Canva. Sometimes if you are not a premium account holder, means you are not a paid account holder, then you will not be able to download, if I'm correct.
Okay. So
In few cases, because it will add images automatically, right? Few of the images are paid, recommended by a Canva. Okay. So there you can go for this one. But here in this case, Microsoft case, you will need a content. In Canva, you can directly jump designing. So, you got
So
title.
which version of PowerPoint you're using here?
I'm using online one, man.
Online.
Right. This will have all the latest features. Even it is free. Okay. The thing you need is any of the email address.
So please share the link also if possible in the
We'll
chat
share
box.
a link, don't worry. We'll share a link.
Sir, I have a query.
Please.
If two people are writing same query, will be getting same result?
Possibility.
Query like you have written for that car brands in the table form. So you got some result. Will the result be same for both the person?
Correct. It will be same. What changes we can expect is the sequence will be different. So the names will be not there. But the content will be same because this will take a reference from some site, so maybe some sort of database, right? Which is common, right?
Sir, but what about that trigonometry assignment at the beginning you did, no? That content can be changed, right?
Repeat, ma'am.
No, the first assignment you did, no, like related to trigonometry.
Uh-huh.
Two people give the same question, the same assignment. They
Correct.
make different content.
Same assignment. Content.
It may lead.
Just hold. Now you can unmute and speak, please.
Sir, in the mathematics questions, when the expressions are there, we'll be able to convert it to PPT without disturbing the expressions.
Yes, ma'am, you will be able to.
So can we have a look at one of it?
So what you are saying is this is okay. So let's say this is a content, right? It belongs to mathematics. What I want the same thing in a PPT without disturbing anything. For example, if I will go for this, okay. So same is here. You can design. Done, ma'am. Okay. So it is possible. That's not an issue. Right. Now someone is asking, okay, do I will have a same content? Probability, yes. Okay.
Was it using Canva when you were converted to mathematics or MS Office online?
MS Office only. Even you can go for a Canva. That's not an issue. It supports. Okay. Don't worry.
Thanks.
Okay. So someone was asking, will I get the same data? Yes, you will get the same data. Okay. But the possibility is sequence will be different. Maybe definition will be some sort of variation will be there, right? Not exactly the same, but overall the conclusion will be same only. Okay. In this case. Now, what you can prefer if you want some sort of different data, either you can modify your this one prompt, or you can go for a rephrasing part. Okay. In this case, just hold a second. Let me clear a screen for now. Yes. You can
Sir,
go.
I have one more query.
Please.
Will it lead to plagiarism when both the person are getting the same type of content? Maybe it lead to plagiarism kind of thing.
See, for analyzing a plagiarism, we have a tool called Turnitin, right? In a Turnitin, it will not give answer like this, like it will not highlight it as a copied one. It will show you like this content is written from a AI. Doesn't matter it is the same or not, but Turnitin will be able to identify this, that this content is written through a AI, right? How to eliminate this part? Like we will not be able to eliminate it 100%, right? But what you can do is, let's say this is a content, right? Any of the content I will take, just hold. Wait a second. Suppose this one is, okay. Now what I want, you can simply ask over here, make this statement or maybe the response STATEMENT as a woman. Okay. So it will convert a content in a human manner. So it will present like you are presenting your thoughts. Okay. This one is better in a chat GPT. So for sure it will eliminate this one. Okay. The flag part. Done, ma'am. Any other doubt? We are open for queries. Feel free to ask. Any doubt, anything.
Sir, please repeat that step of converting that Canva document into PPT.
Simply come to Canva, open a doc, paste a content, go to this convert, top right corner, get started. That's it.
Thank you.
Okay, ji. Yes, please.
Sir, please repeat that plagiarism related
See,
content writing.
your content you will receive from this AI bot. It
Not
written as
yeah.
model, right? AI language model. So what you can say, whatever content you have given, can you please make it as a human? Okay. Change above content formatting, you can say as a human. Okay. Or you can say present this content as a human thoughts. Okay. Even we have a number of AI tools which will humanize your content, AI content to a human one, right? It will present it as a thoughts. Like it will add something like I believe, the author believes, right? Something like this will be there.
Okay.
It's quite difficult to
So one more query, like it has the content of its own. Can we change the image content also into the text in Bard? Like if I have a picture, I click the text of picture and I want to convert the text and summarize it. Can I do it in Google Bard?
as well. Can you repeat, ma'am?
Sir, actually I want, if I have a pic, for example, I have taken one screenshot picture from the textbook and I want to summarize that text in the Google Bard. Can I do it?
Not directly. If you are able to identify the text. Okay. In this case, what you can prefer is, let me go for a Google. Can you see a lens option over here? Search by image. Okay.
Yes,
Go for this, upload your file. Let's say this one is just for demo. This one is. See, can you see? I'm able to copy a text, right? Now I can come to this one, Google Word, and I can say, can you summarize this one? That's it. Paste it over here. Easy. Not directly from an image, but you can identify your text using a Google Lens.
Okay, thank you, sir.
But when you are converting any kind of topic as a to convert it as a human, then it becomes a plagiarism, no? Plagiarism, no?
No. What it will do, suppose I am asking, can you give me a article, right, on how to create a Google form?
Okay.
What it will do? It will provide you a data, step 1, step 2, step 3, right? Now I will say, suppose the author is Roshan Kumar. So it will give you, I am Roshan, right? Founder of this, and there are following steps which you can follow. Hope it is clear. It will present it as a thoughts in that case. Will not consider a data from any of the resource or not. It will not provide you a data from any of the reference. Simply it will convert the same content.
Yeah, that the scope for copying is there. So much of copying. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Any other doubt? So just hold a second. Meanwhile, I'm sharing a feedback form over here. Till then, you can ask your queries. Feel free to ask whatever query you have.
Can it debug a program code?
Hanji, please.
Can it debug a program code?
Like if you want to understand like what exactly it is, what
Like if there are errors in the program, can it debug and correct it?
You can identify.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I have a query. Can I ask?
Please.
Yeah. So what it cannot do? Can you tell me that? I mean, you have told so many things it can do. So what it cannot do?
So,
I don't think you're gonna tell that to anybody.
no, few things are there. Okay, what I have shared a feedback link over here in a Zoom chat. Okay, so what exactly will Google Word, like what I am saying is it's a language model, right? And it's restricted to a text only. If you want anything apart from a text, right? Where you want an interactive, maybe chart graph, it will not be able to provide you. Whether you want interactive images, clip arts, it will not be able to provide you. Video, PPT, no. Document, no. Right? What you can do is you can integrate AI into your tools, but directly you will not be able to generate a, for example, just for example, what I can say is the final outcome of any of the command, maybe assignment, maybe presentation, is a PDF file, a Word file, or the assignment, right? It will not be able to give you the assignments, right? Content it can give, will not be able to convert. It will not be able, let's say, if you will say, can you convert this image into a PDF? No, it will not be able to do. Okay. So it's very specific to language model only. Feedback link is already shared.
Yeah, thank you so much. I mean, I have one more query. Can you
Please,
please address that? Yeah. So how it is different from Chat GPT? Can you please tell?
both of them are a AI model. Okay. First thing is the what I can say, it belongs to Google. Second one belongs to OpenAI. Okay. If you are going for merits or demerits, what I will say is ChatGPT is quite better as compared to the Google Bird. It will give you a more accurate result. In a Google Bird, you have a latest data. Okay, what kind of latest data? If you will ask, can you give me a top 10 news of this specific date, maybe June 10, it will provide you. In a ChatGPT, you will have only responses from 2021 and onward, not onwards, before 2021. Okay, so it's a kind of limitation. You will not be able to dictate in a ChatGPT. Here you can dictate, right? In this Google Word. Okay, the answers are more accurate in a ChatGPT as compared to this. In ChatGPT, even you will be able to modify your code properly. Okay, from us for a Google reviews. Just hold. You can ask for code over here in a ChatGPT, but sometimes what happens in this Google Word, it will not be able to identify whether it is a table, whether it is something else. Okay. So someone is asking, what is this Google review? Simply you can search a scroll wheel in a Google. You can write a review for us and the same screenshot you can upload over here. Right. Just any other doubt, sir? Any other doubt? Anything?
Hi, how do we avoid students copying plagiarism if both have equal access to ChatGPT and Google Bard?
See, what I can say is you will not be able to restrict the student, first case. Okay. If students wants to copy a data, then they will. Okay. It doesn't matter if we will like ban this one. Maybe we will restrict the access of this AI. Okay. What you can suggest is go for experiment based content, not for a theoretical one. Whenever you are asking any sort of question, go for an analytical one. Go for some sort of discussion kind of thing. Right. In that manner, you will be able to avoid. But if you are asking a simple question which can be directly copied from the internet, then you will not be able to restrict them.
Okay, just one more question. Could you just show how to upload content from the computer into Canva? I have content on my system which I had written, and I want to upload it into Canva and create a PPT. Could you please show that, because you showed only from Google Bard?
Correct. Now, your content which you have in your system can be in two manners. Either you can have a full-fledged PPT, right? Or you can have it in a Microsoft Word.
Yeah,
Correct.
Word. Yeah.
So what you will do is just hold. So let's suppose you have something in a Word, copy it simply. Okay. Or do I need to demonstrate from a Word itself? Just hold. Let's say this content I have, okay, in a Word. Now what I want to convert it to a PPT, right? I will copy this. I will paste it over here in a doc, right? I will go to convert and that's it. Doesn't do you have a content in a Word or any other platform?
Okay, it's only copy paste. Okay, okay.
That's it.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, what is to be added in the Google review in the feedback form?
In a Google review, you will be simply, is it a compulsory one? Like, do you need?
Yes,
It seems to be a compulsory one, and we don't know how to go about it.
Okay,
Required. Please share the link, sir.
which
What we have to
Can
insert
you take it
there?
off?
Aram se, ji, aram se. One by one. So what
Can
I'm
you
saying,
take that option off where we have to give you a Google review
yes,
screenshot
I
or
will
upload?
do it. Don't worry.
And share a new feedback form.
Same feedback form will work. I will disable this option. Okay, it will not be a
Thank you.
compulsory as of now.
Okay.
Still, if you want to provide a feedback, Google, what you can do is search over here, scroll well. Here you have a review option, and you can write a review. That's it. Okay, and let me disable that option for now.
Sir,
Hello.
what is this testimonial? What we have to write in testimonial?
Experience how you felt about this session. Your experience may be positive, may be negative. It's totally up to you.
हेलो
हाँ जी,
सर, हमको वहां पर क्या करना है? अपलोड कौन सी फाइल अपलोड करनी है वहां पर?
एक मिनट जी, मैं वो ऑप्शन डिसेबल कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगी.
So in the
हाँ,
old
हमको
form
मतलब मालूम नहीं पड़
automatically
रहा,
it will
वो
get show
हमने सब
disabled.
फिल कर दिया और वो मतलब क्या करना है वहां पर मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा है.
जी मैम, मैं वो डिसेबल कर रहा हूँ ऑप्शन, ठीक है? डिसेबल करके मैं आपको बताता हूँ, बस आप फॉर्म रिफ्रेश कर लीजिएगा.
Thank
1 minute सर, हमको थोड़ा सा टाइम दीजिए करने के लिए.
Then don't
Excuse me,
worry.
what is testimonial? What do we need to write there in the
Your
testimonial?
experience, ma'am, how you felt about this session.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी.
Sir, it's asking for this review upload. How do we do it? Like Google review?
Ma'am, refresh the same form, it is disabled. Without review, you can submit.
Testimonial means testimonial.
Your experience about this session.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, one more query I have.
Sir, will you share this link?
Sir, please, will you share the feedback link once again in the chat box?
Sharing ji, just hold.
Hello.
Sharing, just hold a second.
Sir, can you please share the recording of this session?
Recording I will be sharing ji, don't worry. Recording is already there on a YouTube. Okay, it is open. You can see whenever you feel. So I will reshare the form ji. Any other doubt apart from this? Doubt?
Hello.
How do you improve this course? What shall we write there?
Your suggestions, like earlier there was a feedback, sorry, this review option, right? For example, if I will submit this form, I will say, can you improve the feedback process? Something like this. Any suggestion, any feedback, anything.
No, sir, वो जो insert file है वो करने से.
हाँ जी, please one by.
Are you
Sir?
issuing the certificate for this?
So after
attendance.
feedback, you will be receiving a certificate by 1 or 2 hours automatically. If not,
सर वो जो insert file जो बोल रहा है वो न करने से वो मतलब फाइल जो हमारा जो फॉर्म है वो सबमिट नहीं हो रहा है.
मैम आप फॉर्म को एक बार रिफ्रेश करें, होगा सबमिट. वो डिसेबल कर दिया मैंने.
सर क्लास ओवर होगी मतलब अब
Otherwise, you please send that form once again, sir.
क्लास ओवर होगी.
If in the form, if you click on the clear form option, it is automatically getting disabled. Just at the end, you see the in the drive option is there, na? Where you can there at the right side you see a clear option, clear form option. If you clear, you will get a refresh form without those options.
Correct.
Sir, you told
class
that you will be sharing that that Microsoft PowerPoint, that free online link. You told that you'll be sharing, right?
I will be sharing Microsoft
that online PowerPoint.
tools. Whatever we have discussed today, I will be sharing. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, can we leave?
Yes, you can.
So the last question I have, sir.
Please.
The last question. So this Google Bard, sir, what is the main use of this? Like only content writing. So basically, what I get from the workshop today, the content writing part was good in Google Bard. Rest like quiz, I cannot convert it. It's marking, sir. As you told, the assignment we can use it for marking the assignment also. So that assignment.
Assignment. No, you will not be able to use it for the assignment. That's not true. Okay. What you can do is in a Google Classroom, if there is any possibility of integrating any third-party tool, maybe a add-on, that I will check whether you will be able to spell it. Maybe can you say check the grammar and all. Okay, that is possible in a Google Classroom, not directly in a AI. This one, Google Bard.
Okay, thank you. We have just submitted the form.
Thank you. Thank you, and wish you all the best for
Roshan?
your startup.
Anji,
Roshan, I
All
wanted
the
to
best for your
say
startup.
thank you for this session. You were very patient with the queries
Yeah.
and you were very clear in explaining the concepts. We need more sessions on AI for teachers.
You sure?
From Scroll and yours was a
Appreciate
wonderful
your
presentation.
effort.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
sir. You had so much patience to listen to us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I don't allow all to talk at the time. Just control. Have a control with you. Have a control with you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Truly appreciated.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful session.
Sir, I am not able to
It
fill
was a
this
great pleasure
feedback
learning
form.
with
My
you.
browser is not supporting this.
Thank you, Roshan ji. Thank you so much.
Roshan, do not.
Hello,
the
Roshan,
next,
sir.
the next session, do not allow the all.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello, Roshan, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. All the best. All the best.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Those who have questions, can you write it in a chat?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much,
Most
Roshan sir.
सर ये
अजय
रोशन
करण
सर
from
ये
Pune.
रोशन सर
हाँ
ये
जी।
जो मतलब टेक्स्ट से थोड़ा फियर है मेरे को एक तरह से या यूं कहो कि मैं
Can you send
अनकंफर्टेबल
the
रहता हूँ
feedback form in,
तो मतलब बहुत ज्यादा ही तो उसका कुछ उपाय है मतलब
टेक्स्ट से क्या है सर? थोड़ा सा रिपीट।
मतलब काफी अनकंफर्टेबल रहता हूँ मैं और बाकी चीजों में
Hello,
मतलब ठीक है
Roshan,
मेरा
sir.
बट टेक्नोलॉजी से मतलब मेरी हालत खराब हो जाती है
अच्छा।
ये
Sir, can
करो
you
वो
send
करो
feedback form in
दिमाग नहीं
WhatsApp
चलता
group?
है फिर तो क्या करूँ मैं
ठीक है।
Hello.
नोट कर। ठीक है।
Roshan, sir. Hello.
ग्रुप में भी भेज दूंगा, डोंट वरी। जी मैम प्लीज।
Sir, can you send feedback form in WhatsApp group?
श्योर डोंट वरी।
तो सर
Okay.
इसका
Hello,
सॉल्यूशन
Roshan, sir.
सॉल्यूशन आप बता देंगे हाँ इसका
Hello.
सॉल्यूशन
बाय वन
Hello.
जी कोई अनम्यूट।
Roshan, sir.
हाँ जी।
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, Roshan, sir.
यस सर प्लीज।
Good evening.
So can you share the video?
आई विल
Today's session.
शेयरिंग डोंट वरी।
Hello, Roshan ji.
हाँ जी।
Very well done. Very well done.
Thanks a lot.
Again, it was a
Roshan, sir.
wonderful session. And I request to do one session on Canva very soon.
Done.
Okay, thank you.
Roshan ji, let me know one thing.
Please.
Feedback form, it is asking upload Google review screenshot. So what to do for this?
That's not a compulsory one. You can skip.
But it is not submitting. It is saying this is required question.
Refresh.
Refresh it. It is working. It is working. Please refresh. Sir has told number of times.
Refresh means I have to click on the button clear form.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On that form you should clear. It will be showing the new form.
Yeah.
Then again I have to fill all the
There is
entries
no
again.
problem.
Yes,
We can easily
yes. You
upload.
have to write all the entries again.
I submitted, got acknowledgement also.
Just hold. So first thing is someone is asking, like Ravi sir was asking, if I have a difficulty about technology, like how I can express technology in a better way, even I feel there is some sort of fear about the technology, how I can improve. The first thing is technology is something which will surely help you out. Don't worry about how to utilize, whether something wrong will go or not. when the person don't have the, what I can say, the trigger over the, or I can say command over any of the technology, maybe Word, maybe PowerPoint, maybe this AI, okay, then you will have this sort of fear. Always I will suggest try as much as you can. Okay, only this will help you out. Okay, practice will help you out for eliminating this kind of fear. Few of the participants are asking for a feedback link. I'm sharing a feedback link again in a chat. Okay, those who are having an issue with submission of feedback form, what you can do is you can refresh your form. You will be able to submit it. Don't worry. Done. And the next query was, can I have something related to chat GPT? Soon I will have, don't worry. Canva also I will have. Okay, I will try to have a session for a Canva as well. I'm stopping a recording for a YouTube one. Those who have joined us over a YouTube, thanks a lot for joining us over a YouTube. Okay, thanks a lot. If you are facing any issue while filling this particular feedback one, you can come to me